Hello everyone, good morning. I welcome you all on my channel Knowledge Spark. Every week I upload videos related to latest technologies on this channel. So please subscribe this channel to get notification of my newly uploaded videos. Let's start with today's agenda. Today's agenda is recap of last session, Nifi Spark streaming using Web API data. So if we talk about the last session, so in the last session we cover file to file transfer, NiFi introduction, and the installation of NiFi on Windows system. So if we talk about the NiFi introduction, so NiFi is an orchestration tool in which we define the flow of the data. It processes the data and transfer the data among the distributed system. So this is NiFi. For the better definition, you go to the Google. And if we talk about the NiFi installation, so you can go Google and download NiFi. Download NiFi for Windows. Here you can open this first tab, the Apache Software Foundation. And here you will get these binaries, Apache binaries. So you can download and extract. Then you will get one folder like this. So you can just double click on this run NiFi and you will get this kind of command prompt window. And so after launching this window, you need to wait for 5 to 10 minutes to get launched the NiFi on your browser. So for browser you can use this URL, or you can get the URL like for you can get the URL 9090. So you can check this in the configuration file. I have provided the more details in this NiFi properties in the previous video, so I can provide you the link of my previous video in this video description, so you can watch from there the details. And we see the file to file transfer in the previous session and Web API to file transfer. So in this session we will start from Web API to file transfer. Let me remove all this and let me add to processor. So this is for invoke HTTP, and you can provide the schedule time, like after how much time you want to hit the API. So I can consider every 2 seconds I want to fetch the data from the web API. So this is the HTTP method and remote URL. So I can provide this remote URL. Here, and that's it. And we need one more processor for the put data, put file into a local folder. So here I can provide the settings like the URL where I want to put the data, video recording, streaming data. Here I want to put my data, and this is our last processor, so I can provide the failure and success settings. That's it. And I can connect both the connectors and define relationship for failure, mobility, original, response, retry. And let's start this process. So it will provide you the data every 2 seconds here. Let me show you. This is in running mode. So once I will stop, it will stop hitting that. So you can see I'm not getting any more data. Let me write down the code for the Spark streaming here. Import or dot apache.spark dot streaming dot streaming context and import or dot apache dot spark dot streaming. Here I can write. So this is the main method for our Spark program. So this is the predefined things. So no need to look into this. If you want details on these things, so I can provide you in separate video. So you can write in comment box if you want. So let's start. So first we will create the Spark streaming context. Spark streaming context. New streaming context. Here we can provide two arguments. One is the configuration and second is the seconds. So after how many seconds we want to show the streaming data, then we can load the stream, is equal to ssc dot text file stream. We can give the path here. This is the path from where we want to stream the data. So first Nifi will stream the data to this folder, and from this folder we are fetching data and streaming in Spark. Then stream dot write dot print. Then ssc dot start and ssc.terminate. Await terminate. That's it. Run this. It can take few minutes based on your system configuration. So my system configuration is not too high. So I'm using 4 GB RAM, and if you have more than 60 GB RAM or i7 processor, it can work faster on your system. So see, here my Nifi is stopped and I'm not getting any new data, so you will not get anything in the stream. You will get the time zone. So let me start this. So it started, so you will get the data both the places, like here you are getting the data and here also you will get the data. So if you want the process faster, so you can schedule it for the, like instead of 2 seconds you can schedule for 1 second or 0 second. So let me stop and schedule it for 1 second or 0 second, let me show. So as soon as it will get the data and will provide you start. See this data and see here in the places you are getting data too rapidly. So please remember to stop this, otherwise it will fill your hard disk completely and your system will be unresponsive at that time. So stop all these things. So that's it for today. If you have any challenge while practicing, or if you face any challenge while practicing these things, so please write it in comment box. I will try to reply. I hope it provides you good understanding of Nifi Spark streaming. If you have any doubt, you can write in comment. In next session we will see, or next session we will cover the Kafka Spark streaming. If you really like the content, kindly consider showing your support by liking the video, sharing it, and subscribing to my channel. Let's meet in next session. Thanks for watching.